The replace method lets us replace parts of a string. Let's see how this actually works. Let's say I have the string hello, ham is ham, and ham is good. And I call replace. So the first argument you can pass to replace is the word you want to replace. So let's say I want to replace ham, and I want to replace it with chicken. If you notice, only the first word is replaced, not all the occurrences of ham. If you specify the thing you want to replace as a string, only the first occurrence will be changed. If you want to change all the occurrences, you have to pass something that is a regular expression. Regular expressions are out of the scope of this video, but I'm just going to show you an example of how that works if you want to change everything in the string. So if you want to change everything in the string, you're going to delete this and you're going to create a regular expression like this. So you give it these two slashes and then a G, which means global, and then you can give it your string like so. And then there you go. Everything is changed from chicken. Everything was changed from ham to chicken.